Komportable kayo? No,
Fifteen by 15. Kami.
Sebenarnya istri bisa
Go.
So, today is Friday.
Yes.
Are you done for your breakfast?
Yes.
Do you live in Barangay Caridad?
Yes.
Have you ever seen BP?
No.
Have you ever taken something that didn't belong to you even as a child?
No.
Have you ever lied to avoid getting into trouble?
Yes.
Have you ever broken a rule at school or work?
Yes.
Did you steal the missing item?
No.
Did you take money from the bag of one?
No.
Were you present with the thief occurred?
I don't know. I was at home. Yeah, I was at home.
Do you know who committed the theft?
I don't know.